Hello dear students. In this video we will talk about classified advertisement of the type situation vacant. But let me first tell you, you are watching Trick Track English YouTube channel and addressing to you all, I am Sujit Kumar. Let's start the video now. My dear students, situation vacant type advertisement is written by an employer who is in need of the services of a person for his organization. For example, if you run a school of your own and you want to recruit some teachers to teach chemistry in your school, in this case, the type of advertisement you will write and release for the publication in a newspaper or in magazine will be of situation vacant type. I think you have understood it. When you are writing an advertisement of situation vacant type, you must pay attention to some important essentials. They are essentials, therefore they are important. First of all, you should complete your advertisement in maximum of 50 words. Next, post and number of vacancies must clearly be mentioned. The third important essential is you must clearly state whether the post is for male or female, age, qualities and qualifications of the person required, name of organization, pay scale and perks, contact address and phone number must clearly be mentioned. In addition to these essentials, you must also stick to some writing disciplines. For example, you must clearly state the category at the top in block letters. You should give all essentials using semicolons. You must also use a few recognizable abbreviations. And finally, you must put the whole matter inside a rectangular box. Here is a question along with answer for enabling your understanding. Please see. Here is a question based on the classified advertisement. Read the question. Suppose you are Chancellor of the Bihar University. You are in look for a librarian for the maintenance of the university library. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in the classified column of a national daily. Now, see how this question has been answered. Look here, this is the answer. The category has been stated at the top. All these are necessary informations which have been given using semicolons. You can see these are abbreviations these can be understood. Finally, the whole matter has been put inside a box. Now read the answer. Required a male librarian. Note: this information has been given using block letters. It is important to do so in order to capture the attention of the reader. Here, the word male has been used in order to tell that the post is strictly for the male candidate only. Female cannot apply for this. Now, this is the information about age, maximum 35 years. Next comes the qualification, the diploma in library science from a recognized university. This is about qualities of the candidate, good communication skill, this is about experience with 3 years of working experience. This is about salary and perks, salary as per government norms. How to apply? Send CV to Secretary, Library, Bihar University, Muzaffarpur, with scanned copies of certificates to, this is the email address and this is the phone number. My dear students, this way an advertisement of situation vacant type should be written. I hope you have understood what I have taught. So this much for this video. Thank you very much for being with me. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.